Now that we have the extension, it will appear in the top right. If not, then all you have to do is click here on extensions and you can find it and press the pin. So now we are ready to use it. So let's go ahead and start to begin to load profiles into SyncUp. The first thing we want to do is a search, and we can search for anything that we want. Let's go ahead and say that we want to find marketing. Now, important, we want to make sure that we press here people, okay? Now I have a list of all of these people that are in marketing: John, Katie, Leslie, etc. At this point, we'll go ahead and open up the SyncUp Chrome extension. We'll create a campaign. We'll call it marketing. This way we remember who's inside of it. On the select URL, we never have to touch this. And the limit, that is simply how many people do we want to bring from LinkedIn into SyncUp. The most is 2,500. I will show you with 5. Once we do that, we'll go ahead and press load profile. SyncUp will then say preparing to get information about users. And now it will take John, then Katie, then Leslie, then Diego, and the chronological order for the amount of people that we have now selected. Once it is completed, it will give you the message that all profiles are loaded into the CRM. We'll press close, and now we'll go ahead and click right here on CRM.